Hello everyone. If you haven't already done so, make sure that you listen to the spelling words for this week before you get into the activity. It's going to be really important that you listen to the words this time because we're going to focus on the stress or the emphasis on the first or second syllable in the word. So after you've listened to the spelling words, you'll then be ready to click the link at the bottom of this page to open up a blank Google Doc. Please be sure to title that Google Doc with your name and 10.1 spelling so that I know what I'm receiving when you share it with me. I have a lot of things coming in from different people and I have different assignments coming in, so please make sure that you label it so I know what it is. After you've opened your doc and titled it, you're going to sort your words into one of two categories. It's going to be based on which syllable gets the stress or the emphasis when you say it. So some words are going to be categorized as first, some are going to be categorized as second, because some words get their stress or their emphasis in the first syllable, while others get stressed or emphasized on the second syllable. So stay tuned for the next video because I will explain more about that. After you've completed your assignment, share your Google Doc with me. If you're not sure how to do that, stay tuned for the video at the end of this page.